In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up your out-of-office status using Microsoft Teams. This is a handy feature that can help manage expectations when you're stepping away from your work duties for a while. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure that you can manage your availability with ease. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Microsoft Teams. This is the platform where we'll be setting up your out-of-office status. You can access Microsoft Teams through your web browser or the desktop app, whichever is your preference. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. There's a set of 3 dots located next to your profile picture. This is commonly known as the More Options menu, and it's our gateway to adjusting your settings. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Once you click, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll select Settings. Doing so will bring you to a new window with several customization options. Make sure you're under the General tab. This section typically contains all the basic configurations for your team's environment. Looking through the general settings, you'll find an option labeled Out of Office. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to inform your colleagues about your absence and how long you'll be unavailable. Click on Out of Office to open up the scheduling settings. This is where you can specify the dates and times when you'll be away, ensuring that anyone trying to reach you is automatically informed about your out-of-office status. Now, a quick tip in case you don't immediately see the out-of-office option, simply click on your profile again. Then navigate to your status indicator. It usually shows something like Available, but you can switch it by choosing Be Right Back from the list of preset statuses. This is a temporary fix that still allows your team to know you're currently not at your desk, although it won't let you set up a long-term schedule like the out-of-office feature does. And just like that, you're all set. Once your schedule is configured, you don't have to worry about colleagues wondering where you are or why you're not responding. Setting your out-of-office status is a simple yet effective way to maintain professionalism and clear communication lines within your team. Remember, being proactive with your availability not only helps you, but also assists others in planning their tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher on setting up your out-of-office status in Microsoft Teams. Have a great day.